Dude, where's my car?
Where's your car, dude?
Dude, where's my car?
Where's your car, dude?
Dude, where's my car?
Where's your car, dude?
Did I drive last night?
Yeah, I think so.
Really?
I'm not sure. Dude, where's your car?
Dude, it's not funny, dude. The car's gone.
Yeah. Dude, where's my car?
Shut up, dude!
Okay, look. You're right. I know what we need to do. We need to get back into the state of mind that we were in last night. That way, we can retrace our steps.
Yeah.
Sense memory, simulated perception, altered consciousness memory retrieval. Discovery Channel.
Nice. Nelson's?
Shibby.
Yeah.